This is my third time recording this because I keep forgetting to press the record button. Tell me if y'all like these vlogs. This was a do nothing ass vlog though. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't too much plan on doing this. Man, I popped up on me at the JOB, at the J.
Popped up on me at the kids, you know.
See, this how I be in the fucking, this how they be, see, it don't feel that way because they be the people.
It's cause
these are baby shoes. Hey, where y'all like kid girl shoes at? Where y'all like kid girl shoes at? You got like kids? Toddlers, kids, eh? No, not them, that's babies. Those like babies. It was like size 3. Yeah, size 3. Damn, that's oh, these bitches clean.
That's why I said that's why she's
Hey, do you think they got these size 3?
Hey, that's because I'm always nicer and I do whatever you want me to do. Nicer. I don't know why.
wait, we'll be right back. Okay, that's fine. I'll keep them up here.
If not, then maybe these. I ain't gonna lie, Maya love anything pink.
Dang, hold on, because these are funny.
What you mean they funny?
They're funny sizes because they're the easy ones.
What that mean? That they run small or big?
They run the same, but the sizes of them is funny.
What y'all think about these?
Let's see if they got them over there.
For my
'Cause I
daughter.
can't see their sizing.
So what? How the fuck are these more expensive than the other ones? Oh, what are these?
They're LOL.
Oh, yeah.
It's a brand of them.
Okay. I ain't gonna lie, this is a size 3?
Do not get mine that.
Hell no, I ain't gonna give it to her. You know,
It's
got
money
the,
foot
what
right
they
here.
got? Got the, huh?
This money foot.
What size is that?
An 11. Certain shoes just look
Why they
crazy
look
long.
so long?
Yeah,
That look like a 2.
No.
I swear that look like a 2.
It's the size of my hand. Oh wow, that's crazy.
See, look. Now, the size of my hand, I know that bitch is like...
Our hands are like the same size.
That's crazy as fuck. Long hand ass. Let me see your hand go like this. Ooh, damn.
Wow, including my nails, yeah, your hands are the size of mine.
Type shit.
I don't think your baby mama. She's good.
Shit, nah. Hell nah. Her foot ain't that big. She probably like a whore. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
That is so bad.
That's fucked up. Alright, what you gotta say for the camera there?
Don't piss me off.
Where's the day, man?
Word of the day.
I had to go get this hat, y'all, cause look at this shit.
We got locked in with Ash.
Yeah, go ahead and promote.
We're gonna get locked in with my girl. Locked in with Ash, book. Locked in with Ash on all social medias. Tap in.
Yeah, I'm
deposit ready.
Nah, for real. I'm gonna see what if that shit good. But I seen her page though.
That shit hard.
This shit was good. I ain't really seen nobody that sucked, but I have had people that did my hair and they sucked. Like they didn't suck. It's just like they probably used too much like product and it made my hair feel real waxy. I get like fucking pimples on my face because of the wax from my hair. I don't like that. That's why I hate getting my hair done.
Really?
Yeah, that's right.
Hold on. All right, look, we in the mall right now. Ooh, who that is? Why she looking like this? But look. Oh wait, I'm really about to switch this good.
It's that one right there.
Like tight shit. I ain't walking this new nigga. Tight shit. But look, man, she want me to walk up to these niggas to see. Hey, man. Ooh, that's some seafood shit, huh? Like some seasonings or some shit. Yeah, I see. Yeah, man. You know, bro, I'm really walking through the mall with this bitch. I forgot I walked through it. Yeah, man.
I feel like you really be doing a lot of girls.
Nah, I mean now I've been doing a little more.
A lot of girls, but at first, yeah, I don't feel like you really did a lot of girls.
Yeah. I mean, it's just like it's just like they be feeling like maybe I just don't do girl videos. I do that. I do all type of it. You know, make music, maybe. I really want to do like a rock band type video. That'll be clean. That's a whole different genre.
But who do you know?
I don't know. No, that's the thing. I don't know nobody.